And now we're on to the O2 sensor. This guy right here, super annoying, a big pain in the ass, and it's gonna be really hard to get it out, but hopefully spraying it helped, and hopefully I can just crack it loose and without too much effort. Okay, so if I remember correctly, this is my O2 sensor socket. There's a wire down there and this emptiness right here, so that way the wire doesn't get in the way when you're turning it. And then also, I have all of these extenders because the way that we have to do this is actually pretty challenging. I'm gonna get it set up and show you guys how I do it. Watch. Okay, well, I just got so lucky. I was getting ready to have to put all this force on there. I couldn't get my socket here to fit, so I was grabbing my 7/8 wrench. I went to fit it on there, and it just, sorry, camera. I went to put it on there and fit it, and it just popped, and I turned it, and it popped loose like super easily. So now I can actually unscrew it with my fingers, which is unfreaking believable because this is one of the hardest things to ever do on an RX-7, and the fact that it just came undone is amazing. So, all right, out with the old, in with the new. I mean, gosh, that couldn't have been easier. It was just as simple as cracking this loose, putting in the new one, finger tight, grabbing my wrench and just tightening it down. So we're done. There's your O2 sensor right there. Now I'm gonna start up the car, make sure everything runs good. All right, let's start her up. This car likes to die before it's fully warm. But it's, oh, no, not gonna let you. Okay, well, the good news is the car starts, it runs, and yeah, we're doing good. So I'm gonna turn off the car and we're gonna start working on the inside now.